There are many ways to format axes, some of which you have met in the previous parts. And in this part, we want to deal with them in more details. To use the axis format settings, we must right-click on the axis of the chart and select the Format Axis option from the menu that opens. By choosing this option, its dialog box will appear for us and we can use its tool to format axis. From this section, we can set the start and end values of the axis. Usually, in the initial drawing of charts, the default range of vertical axis numbers is in auto mode. The automaticity of numbers means that if the numbers change, the range of numbers will also change automatically. Now, if you enter the desired number in the minimum and maximum box and press enter, you will see the word auto has changed to reset. In this case, by changing the table numbers, the range of the vertical axis will not change and will remain constant between 0 and the desired number. From this part, we can change the grading intervals. To change the scale of the vertical axis, we can use this section and choose the desired scale. When drawing charts, if the range of changes in numbers is too large, the columns with smaller numbers will not show up well in the chart. So, to solve this problem, you can use the logarithmic scale option. When the peak of this part is active, you will see that all the columns will be visible. My friends, if we want to reverse the order of values, we can use this field. Now, by activating the tick of this section, you will see the direction of the values changes and is placed in the opposite direction. Now, if we want to change the direction of the axis, we can uncheck the categories in reverse order option. To italicize the axis words, we can change the degree of rotation from the Size and Properties section in the Custom Angle section. My friends, the 8th season of the course has ended. I hope you are not tired and stay with us until the end. Please share your opinions with us, and if you have enjoyed the course so far and it was useful for you, make us happy with your good comments.